6 Netball Shooting Tips and Tricks to Make You a Pro. Developing your shooting skills for netball takes lots of practice, and that mastering the technique takes time and patience. If you're the goal shooter or goal attack, these are skills you are going to want to take the time to become comfortable with. Your team is depending on your expertise. Since you and one other are in charge of every shooting opportunity, winning or losing really hangs in the balance of how well you know your stuff. Use your knowledge of netball shooting techniques, B, E, E, F, and the netball shooting tips below to make yourself the hero of your team. Practice. Spend a lot of time boosting your success rate by training. Go early to practice, stay late, or spend an extra 15 to 20 minutes every day honing your skills. Once the technique is second nature, the rest will come and you'll feel more confident in high-pressure situations. Also, really dedicated players seek the advice of someone more experienced. Ask your coach for some one-on-one time and tips. Take your time. You have 3 seconds, which doesn't seem like much if you are new to the game, but once you get really comfortable with what your body should be doing, 3 seconds is an ample amount of time. Balance and stance. Bent knees, a shoulder-width stance, and proper grip are essential for keeping your body balanced while shooting. The power of the shot comes from your legs being steady and bent. Wait for your knees and arms to begin straightening, and once your body is extended, take the shot. Grip. How you hold the ball is also really vital. Your shooting hand gives your attempt spring, power, and spin. Your supporting hand should be holding the side, offering support, and helping with aim. Cradle the ball with your fingertips on your shooting hand, and spin the ball backward with a little flick of your wrist. Focus. Ignore your blocker and pretend you are at a normal practice. Do your best to concentrate only on the shot. With the goalpost directly in your line of sight, it is unlikely that they'll be able to intercept. Controlling the direction the ball goes with your arms, fingers, and wrists, focus on the back of the ring. With a flick of the wrist, a goal should be yours. Because there is no backboard, by focusing on the back of the rim, the ball should fall into the basket instead of going past it. If needed, pretend something is hanging just above the basket so you can get a rainbow effect. Rebounding. If for some reason your attempt doesn't score, but you have remembered to spin the ball backward with your wrist during your shoot, it should bounce back. After you release, follow the ball to the ring and get after it. If your shot missed, make up for it by getting the rebound and going for the second shot. Capture the ball, take your time, focus and secure your goal.